Welcome to another video on smart architectural programming. And in today's video, it's going to be a little bit unique. We'll uncover the cybersecurity girl. Good morning, everyone. Let me begin with a question. Who has ever had to reset password because you forgot it, only to remember it seconds after resetting? Yeah, we've all been there. Now imagine a world where instead of you chasing passwords, you had someone super smart on your team who not only kept your system safe, but also made it look easy and, dare I say it, stylish. That's where today's stars enter, Cybersecurity Girl. No, she's not a Marvel superhero, though she totally could be. She is a modern day coder of safety, a guardian of smart systems, and a beacon of inspiration in the world of programming and cybersecurity. So sit back, grab your metaphorical capes, and let's dive into why Cybersecurity Girl is not just a role model, she is the future. So before we start this video, I would request you to like and subscribe the video if you get any value from our channel, and share it with other people as well. So without further ado, let's focus on act number 1, the importance of cybersecurity in programming. Let's set the stage with an image. You're developing a groundbreaking app that's not just functional, but brilliant. It syncs across devices seamlessly, stores sensitive user data securely, and even has predictive features. Amazing, right? But here's the twist. All the innovation comes at a cost. Each feature creates a potential entry point for cyber threats. Hacker could breach your app, steal your user data, or even disrupt your operations through vulnerabilities in your code. Yes, folks, the very code you write can become a battleground between you and cyber bandits. So, this is why your cybersecurity in programming is non-negotiable. It's like building a spaceship. You wouldn't spend years designing a cutting-edge features only to skimp on the shield that protects it from asteroids, would you? You totally could, but just like the Star Destroyer in Star Wars, just small vent where the missile went through and destroyed the Star Destroyer. So that was cutting edge design, which was cutting costs on something very, very integral. So that is the case with cybersecurity and your programs. Cybersecurity Girl ensures that metaphorical shield is always up. The systems are robust and every line of code is fortified against threats. So let's move to act number 2. Who is Cybersecurity Girl? You've been hearing this about Cybersecurity Girl this, Cybersecurity Girl that. Who is this Cybersecurity Girl that we've been talking about? Let's talk about this myth now. The legend, the Cybersecurity Girl. Is she a person? Is she a concept? She's both. She represents anyone who takes on the challenge of protecting our increasingly digital world. And she's redefining the stereotypes about what a programmer or coder should look like. Let's talk about this myth now. The legend. Let's break her down. The brain. Cybersecurity Girl is a problem solver. She analyzes systems, anticipates threats, and codes solutions that are both effective and efficient. The heart. She's empathetic. She thinks about users first, ensures their safety, and ensuring safety measures don't feel like they're obstacles but like invisible shields. And the hustle. She's always learning. Cyber threats evolve constantly, and she stays a step ahead by keeping her skills sharp and adapting to new challenges. Oh, and let's not forget, she's inclusive. Cybersecurity Girl's cape is big enough for everyone, regardless of gender, background, or expertise. She believes that diverse teams write better and more secure code. So let's move on to act number 3. How Cybersecurity Girl rocks programming. Now, what exactly does Cybersecurity Girl do when she's working on her magic in programming? Let's explore her day-to-day. She does code audits. Just like editing a novel for plot holes, she reviews code for vulnerabilities and ensures that every function, class, and API is secure. She does pen testing, aka ethical hacking. Think of this as a friendly break-in. She finds the weaknesses in applications before the bad guys do. Then she also does encryption and masters in. She has a mastery in encryption because she's the wizard behind data encryption, making sure that even if someone gets their hand on sensitive data, it's just a bunch of gibberish to them until they find the key that is, and that's locked securely with our Cybersecurity Girl. And then she all knows secure coding practices. She's the advocate for input validation, proper authentication methods, and avoiding pitfalls like SQL injection vulnerabilities. And finally, she also knows disaster recovery planning. Cybersecurity Girl doesn't just plan for the best, she prepares for the worst. Whether it's data breach or ransomware attack, she's already got a blueprint for bouncing back. So, why do we need more cybersecurity girls? Here's a fun fact. By 2025, it's estimated that there will be 3.5 million unfilled cybersecurity jobs worldwide. Why? Because the demand for security experts is skyrocketing and the supply just can't keep up. And let's not sugarcoat it. Women only make up 25% of the cybersecurity workforce. But Cybersecurity Girl is here to change that. She's an inspiration for young girls to see technology and programming not as something intimidating, but as something empowering. How do we inspire the next generation? By showing them the role models, by celebrating the success stories, and by making it clear that cybersecurity isn't just important, it's cool. So, let's wrap up this video. How can you become or be your own cybersecurity girl or guy for that matter? It doesn't matter here. So, what can you take away from today? Whether you're a budding programmer, a seasoned developer, or someone who's just really passionate about technology, you have a role to play in the story. You need to learn the basics of cybersecurity. Seriously, stop using password 123. And, tell that to your parents as well. Embrace collaboration. Good security is a team sport, so be more collaborative if you ever want to become that cybersecurity superhero that we're talking about. And finally, remember that behind every smart system is someone who's smarter, keeping it safe. Become that person, be that person. And you'll be the superhero that the world needs. Let's build a future where every app, every system, and every device is not only smart but secure. And let's make sure Cybersecurity Girl gets the spotlight she deserves. Also, please like and subscribe our video if you got any value from this video, and let us know in the comments below if you're ready to become the next superhero in the cybersecurity space. Thank you everyone. Now go forth and channel your inner superhero. Capes are optional but highly recommended.